Hi, I'm Christy Wilhelmi from GardenNerd.com, and this is how to grow cucumbers in a jar. Now, this is a bit of an odd question because I think about growing cucumbers in a jar, and I think there are a couple of things you need to overcome if you're going to do this. First of all, jars don't have drainage, and cucumbers don't like wet feet, so they're going to need to drain somehow. So if you have a glass cutter or a masonry bit, you're going to probably want to drill a hole in the bottom of that jar. Otherwise, and by the way, the hole should be somewhat at least like this. Most pots or containers that you grow in need to have some kind of drainage. So you can avoid that possibly by putting some gravel in the bottom of the jar and then filling it with some potting soil that has perlite in it. Perlite is the white puffy stuff that helps air flow around it and water flow around it. So very important when growing in containers. What I would recommend is to fill the jar with soil and plant your seeds in the jar, and then at some point you'll probably want to transplant them out of the jar and into something that has more root space for the plant and definitely more drainage. So those are my suggestions for planting cucumbers in a jar. I'm Christy Wilhelmi with GardenNerd.com.